Hi, I have come up with a new video on web application. This video is regarding networking fundamentals of class 10. This chapter is of subject-specific skill. Let us start with the video. Look at the topics and subtopics we will cover in this video. First one is network and its architecture, peer-to-peer, client-server. Second one is types of network, RAN, WAN, MAN. Third one is internet, www, advantage of network, getting access to internet, ISP, modem. Fourth one is types of common internet connection, dial-up, DSL, cable internet access, 3G, Wi-Fi, WiMAX. And the fifth one is data transfer on internet. Let us start with the concept of network. Network. A computer network is a collection of computers and other hardware components interconnected by communication channels, cables or satellites, that allow sharing of resources and information. In simple word, connection between two or more devices is called network. It can be within a room or throughout the world.
The next concept is of network architecture. It is the framework design of a computer network for the specification of their physical components, their functional organization, configuration, and protocol used. The next concept is of types of network architecture, peer-to-peer or file server. A peer-to-peer network is a group of computers, each of which acts as a node for sharing files within the group. Each computer acts as the server for the files stored upon it. Networks in which all computers have an equal status and each terminal has an equally competent CPU. For example, home or office network. The next concept is of types of network architecture is client-server. A client-server network is a group of computers in which one centralized, powerful computer called server is a hub to which many less powerful personal computers or workstations, called clients, are connected. In CS architecture, certain computers have dedicated tasks. The clients run programs and access data that are stored on the server. For example, internet. In our day-to-day life, we all the clients and we are availing internet resources from different server computers. Look at these two images. First one shows client-server architecture, where every client has one-to-one connection with server. The another image shows peer-to-peer, where every computer is act as a server. This slide tells about the different types of network, that is LAN, MAN, and WAN. Let's see more about LAN. Local Area Network. It is also called LAN and designed for small physical areas such as an office, group of buildings or a factory. LANs are used widely as it is easy to design and to troubleshoot. Personal computers and workstations are connected to each other through LANs. We can use different types of topologies through LAN. These are star, ring, bus, tree, etc. This image shows local area networking. Let's see the details about Metropolitan Area Network. It was developed in 1980s. It is basically a bigger version of LAN. It is also called MAN and uses the similar technology as LAN. It is designed to extend over the entire city, up to 50 kilometers. It can be means of connecting a number of LANs into a larger network, or it can be a single cable. It is mainly held and operated by single private company or a public company. Here you can see how different LANs combined and formed a big geographical network called MAN. With this you will understand the details about wide area network. It is also called WAN. WAN can be private or it can be public leased network. It is used for the network that covers large distance, such as cover states of a country or throughout the globe. It is not easy to design and maintain. Communication medium used by WAN is satellite links. WAN operates on low data rates. Let's know about Internet. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard Internet Protocol suite to serve billions of users worldwide. It is a network of networks that consists of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. Let's know about World Wide Web. World Wide Web, abbreviated as WWW or W3, commonly known as the web, is a system of interlinked hypertext documents accessed via the Internet. Information is stored on web servers referred to as web pages are retrieved by using a web browser such as Firefox on the local computer. Let's know about web browser and server. A web browser is a software used to view websites and acts as an interface between the user and the World Wide Web. A web server is a computer that stores websites and their related files for viewing on the Internet. Look at the different interface of Internet. First one is CUI interface and second one is GUI interface. This is the first browser of the world, Mosaic for X Windows. www is a part of Internet. It is a subset of Internet. An Internet is arrangement of software and hardware both along with many resources, whereas www works only with web browser that can read HTML files. Let's know about advantages of networkings. First one is data sharing. One of the most important uses of networking is to allow the sharing of data. Second one is files transfer. Users can send text files, spreadsheets, documents, presentations, audio files, video files, etc. to other users. Third one is hardware sharing. Hardware components such as printers, scanners, etc. can also be shared. For example, instead of purchasing 10 printers for each user, one printer can be purchased and shared among multiple users, thus saving cost. Fourth one is Internet access sharing. You can purchase a single Internet connection and share it among other computers in a network instead of purchasing multiple Internet connection for each computer. This is very commonly found in Internet cafe, browsing centers, schools, colleges, companies, etc. And the fifth one is usage of network-based applications, such as web browsers, email clients, chat application, audio and video calling, etc. is another advantage. Apart of these, there are various advantages of networking. Let's see what are the minimum requirements to get access the Internet. First one is computer. Second one is modem, a combined device for modulation and demodulation between the digital data of a computer and the analog signal of a telephone line. Third one is software, web browser/app. Fourth one is ISP, an Internet Service Provider. ISP is an organization which provides you with access to the Internet via a dial-up, using modem, or direct, hardwired, or wireless connection. And fifth one is communicating media, wired/wireless. Choosing connectivity depends on the availability of a particular technology, speed and connection type in your area. Usually small and medium business users, home users use connectivity types such as DSL, cable modem, dial-up, broadband wireless, WiMAX or 3G. Let's see about the different types of connections, that is wired and wireless connection. Wired, communication in which messages are transmitted along with wires by means of electrical signals. Wireless. Wireless is the term refers to medium made of radio waves or electromagnetic waves or M waves or infrared waves. All the wireless devices will have antenna or sensors. Dial-up DSL and cable Internet access are wired connection, whereas 3G, WiMAX and Wi-Fi or wireless connection. Let's see about wired connection. First I will discuss about dial-up. It uses modem and telephone line to connect to Internet. The speed of data transfer is less, commonly used for home PC, and it uses the telephone line for voice calling. The next wired connection type is Digital Subscriber Loop, DSL, Digital Subscriber Line, DSL. Originally, Digital Subscriber Loop is a family of technologies that are used to transmit digital data over telephone lines. DSL service can be delivered simultaneously with wired telephone service on the same telephone line, since DSL uses higher frequency bands for data. It connects network without disturbing the use of telephone line. The speed of data transfer is higher. The most popular wired connection type is cable internet access. Cable internet access is a form of broadband internet access that uses the cable television infrastructure. Cable internet access is provided through existing cable TV networks. This is similar to DSL that is provided over existing telephone lines. Let's see about the different types of wireless connections. First, I will deal with mobile communication. Here you can see a brief history about mobile communication. 1G was for voice, 2G was for voice and data, 3G was for mobile multimedia, and 3G onwards is for integrated wireless multimedia. Now see about more wireless network, as Wi-Fi and WiMAX are used to create wireless network connections. Wi-Fi is used to create small networks and used to connect printers, computers, gaming consoles. WiMAX uses spectrum to deliver connection to network. WiMAX is used to provide internet services such as mobile data and hotspots. Now we are at the end of the video, but before wind up I want to deal with the topic data transfer on internet. In very simple language, let's see what happens to a piece of data, say a web page, when it is transferred over the internet. The data is broken up into bits of same-sized pieces called packets. A header is added to each packet explaining where the data has come from, where it should end up, and where it fits in with the rest of the packets. Each packet is sent from computer to computer until it finds its destination. Each computer on the way decides where next to send the packet. All packets may not take the same route. At the destination, the packets are examined. If any packets are missing or damaged, a message is sent asking for them to be resent. This continues until all packets have been received intact. The packets are now reassembled into their original form. All this done in seconds. Look at the image and see how TCP breaks the entire data and IP ensures the transmission and delivery of data. That's all about this video. In next video I will come up with a different topic. Thank you, kindly like and subscribe my channel.